I'm sorry I haven't called before.
You certainly took your time. Heard a rattle. I think there might be something loose.
I'm going to mend it, Mrs. Bush. I'm a man. Well, this was very loose. That's a big one.
Are the others all right?
Not that one. I'll get a screwdriver next week.
I'm always afraid of a gas leak.
I can't see a thing. Have you got a match?
Match?
It's all right, don't worry. I'm making a few adjustments.
That's the best I can do for you.